Friends, I'm back with another machine on the Vulnhub, which is ContainMe. I think this must be related to the container. I will add the link into the description section below so that you can download it. Before we begin today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So enough said, let's just get started. To save time, I've already imported the machine into the VMware workstation and started both the machine or target and the ContainMe. So then we can switch over to the ContainMe VM. And as you can see, I discovered the IP address of the target as 152. You can use tools like NetDiscover to do that. And then I did the NMAP scanning to save the time with your usual options like sync scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan. Yeah, this option is very important. Otherwise, you will not find some high port number. And also use this option to output the result into this file. From the NMAP scanning results, as you can see over here, the 4 open ports. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service, and also the actual version information. As we know, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. The second one is 80, which is running HTTP service, and also the version information, which is Apache 2. And the next one is 2222. And this one, maybe the NMAP cannot determine this service, which is running on this port number 2222. And the last one is 8022, which is also running SSH surface and also the version information. Again, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. So what we are going to do next is to do emulation with web application, right? So let's launch our browser and put the IP address of the target. Let's press enter. We got the default Apache 2 page back from the target. And we can scroll down to see whether, this is some sort of the CTF as instructed by the author. We must be very careful. And also we can check the source code of this page, which doesn't reveal anything interesting. Scroll down to the bottom. All right. So of course, also we can try to see whether the site, the target, has robots file. Not found. Next, we need to rely on some tools like Nigato and GoBuster to do the furthermore emulation with web application. The first one is Nigato. Nigato can give us very important information about the web application itself. For example, like the version information and also the allowed HTTP methods. Sometimes, if because of the misconfiguration and the target allows dangerous methods like put, and then we can utilize such a method to do some malicious things, right? And we got the info PHP file. But I think this one cannot give us some entry to the target, or we cannot get the exploitation to this through this file. I'd like to interrupt here. So next we can use the GoBuster to do some enumeration. GoBuster dir command, which means directory, and HTTP specify the URL. And the word list, I'd like to use the GoBuster directory and extension option, for example, like PHP, HTML, text. Back. Let's press enter. Yeah, to see whether we can find out some interesting files or directories. Yeah, except this one. This one is the home page of the Apache 2. However, we got another one. And from the size, we can know that this should be a different page. And we can access this file in the browser. Press enter. Yeah, we got the page. It looks like some commands are executed on the background on the server. And the command should be like this one. List. And with option of ALH. And also we can check the source code of this page. There is one comment. Where is the path? So maybe this page, of course, we can go back to the GoBuster. I think we cannot get anything more from the GoBuster. To save time, I will not wait. I just quit from the directory brute forcing. So, maybe, this page has some parameter, and we need to fuzz out the parameter name. And the two I'd like to use is, of course, you can use FFUF or WFUZZ. I cannot how to pronounce it. But I think I've already demonstrated this technique before, if you can follow along my channel. And now let me show you how to use this tool. The C means color output, and specify the URL. And paste not this one. We can copy, this URL, and go back to the terminal. And we can use the fuzz as keywords. And we want to know whether we can access this local file, password file. This is a very standard practice. And I'd like to use the UU word list, the GoBuster. But I think you can also use other word list you are comfortable with. And the medium, let's press enter. Yeah, a lot of puts. Of course, we need to put the filter option. And I'd like to use the HW to filter words. Yeah, how many words? And the 60, let's press enter. And we can wait for a bit time. This tool or this technique is very, very, very useful for the web application. When you want to make some fuzz, like fuzz out like a subdomain, or fuzz out some parameter. So as a professional pen tester, we must this technique. For me, I used this technique very often. Just now I show you how I used this command or utility to make fuzzing. Normally, we run the command itself without any filter option, and then we we execute this command will give us the information how to filter, for example, based on the word, based on the characters, or based on the response, something like that. Yeah, we have already got the parameter name pass. When we can go back to our browser and we can access this file. Yeah, as you can see, we got the result back. Also, we can try to access the directory rather than file. Yeah, we got the whole bunch of files under the etc directory. So, of course, now we have already got the use, but of course, this just a list of files. We cannot get or retrieve the content of this file. For example, next I think we need to test whether, this page has the LFI or command injection, not LFI, rather command injection, because I have already introduced earlier, the background is being executed the command like this one, list. So maybe, this command can be followed by other commands. For example, let me just show you, like ID. As you can see, we got the ID. And however, if we want to retrieve maybe I can, because we do not need to specify any path to list the and we can use like a cat etc password file. We got the content back, and we can know that the username is Mike. And sorry about that. And next we can try whether we can get whether this user has the private key, right? Home Mike SSH RSA. However, we cannot get out such a file. So what can we do? Maybe we can run some reverse shell command, like we can check whether the netcat is there. Run, but no netcat. So, of course, you can go to the Pentest monkey, reverse. This website to run different commands. For example, like this one, we can copy and paste in here, and we can replace the IP address to our Kali Linux and the port number to change to my favorite one. And we can copy, and of course we need to set up the listener first by netcat. And then we can try to run this command, but failed. Also, we can try to use bash. We get the same failure. So of course you can try so many different ways to get a reverse shell, but none of them can work in this case. I think so. So here at this point, I'd like to show you another technique. When we have already identified or discovered the target has command injection vulnerability. Besides, we running the reverse shell command directly, there is another or alternative technique to get the reversed shell. Okay, let me show you. We can open up another tab. We can set up the shell script, and then we can bash run. Yeah, we can copy this command, paste it in here. Yeah, I need to make sure my script is correct. And write and quit. Then we can set up the web server by Python. And then we can utilize this command injection vulnerability to download, from the perspective of the kernel Linux, this should be the upload. So we can use wget and the IP address of the kernel Linux. Shell. I need to make sure my IP address is correct, which is correct. And now we can set up the listener. Oh yeah, I already set up the listener. Now we can run it. Oh, sorry. Because we need to save into the temp directory. Otherwise, we don't have a permission to write into. So we use the O, uppercase O option, and specify the path, the absolute path of the shell.sh. And then we can list. As you can see, we have already uploaded this shell.sh or shell script, the bash script. Now we can run this script bash in the temp shell. Let's press enter. It looks like it's working. Now, as you can see, we have already got the shell from the target. And I'd like to spawn the bin bash. So we need to check the version of Python. Python 2 is not there. Python 3, pty spawn. All right. Now we need to do some enumeration. For example, the first, we can try to, maybe in some case, the www data can run the sudo. Of course, this is not a very often situation. So we just try 3 attempts. Now we can use the find command to look for the SUID binary and look for the files from or starting from the root directory and the perm and the type of file rather than directory, and redirect all error to the null or the black hole of the system. Let's press enter. Yeah, we got this one. This one has SUID bit. So we just run this binary. Nothing very much we got from this binary. However, this is crypt shell. So maybe this command or this binary has some connection to the shell, right? This is crypt shell. We can run. Maybe we can put some more, we can try to give some argument like hello, unable to decompress. So maybe because now at this moment there is just only one user mic, so we can try to provide the mic as argument. As you can see, we have already got the privileged shell ID. However, the group ID is also www data. So maybe now we are inside some sort of the container, right? And we can use the IP A command to show the IP address available on this machine. Yeah, we got two. Yeah, I think, yeah, so this IP address, this must belong to the container. If you use like, so we need to escape from the container. We can go to the home to see whether we can find some other information. Oh, there is SSH directory. Yeah, there is a private key and a public key. Maybe we can, we need to know, yeah, other hosts which has connection to this container. I mean the host rather than containers. Because in this container, we do not have like a netcat, no. Also, no NMAP. Maybe now we can upload the NMAP utility to this machine, right? Yeah, I've already downloaded this binary from the GitHub NMAP. So now we can use the Python web server to upload this utility or tool. NMAP, and we need to make it executable and run. Yeah, we want to scan this, not this one, 16, I think so. Yeah, 16. Let's press enter to see whether we can find other machines. And then we can use this private key to access that machine. These are what we are going to do next. And I think this will not take so much time. I mean the NMAP. Yeah, we got the two hosts. This one is our own machine. We have already got the shell or the foothold on this machine. And this one, this is a new machine. So maybe we can try also the surface, the open SSH surface is running. So we can try to use the private key SSH ID RSA, and the username is Mike, and the IP address is 6. Press enter. Yes. As you can see, we have already changed from host 1 to host 2. And you can use IPA to display the IP address. Yeah. So now I think, so what can we do next? We can use the SS to display. Also, we can check whether netcat is not there to display active or open port number. Yeah, the MySQL Server is running. So we can try use the MySQL, and the username is Mike. And the password, we can use the weak password, like password. As you can see, we log in. And then we can show tables. No, show databases. And then we can use the accounts database. And we can show tables in this database, and we can dump the data from the users table. Yeah, we got the password for the root and also the mic. We can quit. We can go to the mic. And then we can switch to the root user to see whether we can use this password to switch our shelf. Switch user. Yeah, we can. And then we can list files. And also we can IP address. So we got another file, zip. And we can unzip. Yeah, it's protected. So maybe this file uses this password, or this password is reused. And we can paste in here. It'll work. And now we can cut out this file. Yeah, you found the 3 containers. I think this must be the root flag. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye.